This is an app demonstration video for Google Auth verification. So when you click on the privacy policy from the home page, you can see that GoZen forms uses and transforms to any other app of information received from Google API services user data policy. And when you log in from the home page, you're taken to your account. After you have edited and published the form, and when you click on integrate, you can connect to integrate it with Google Sheet. And here you can see the client ID. And when you choose the account to integrate, you can see the Google consent form that says edit and create, delete all your Google Sheet spreadsheets. And when you click on continue, you need to give your sheet name. For example, I give it as sheet 1 and click on connect. A sheet will be automatically created in your Google Sheet. So you can click on view your sheet and all the responses you get from the form can be viewed here.